Hi everyone, Christian here. Let's do a quick exercise. On the count of 3, say what automotive technology you are most excited about in the next few years. Together now. 3, 2, 1. EV services. Wait, what? That isn't your answer? Let me guess. You aren't too thrilled about the expanding need for EV services, or maybe you're concerned about not knowing where to start. So, let me familiarize you with a little bit on why EV services are becoming so necessary and why independent auto maintenance shops may want to begin investing in them now so that they don't fall behind in the future. Take Bridgestone, for example, who recently announced an expansion of its EV vehicle services at 44 of its company's Firestone Complete Auto Care and Wheelworks stores. While EV services account for less than 10% of the total services at their retail operations nationwide currently, it is estimated that battery electric and hybrid vehicles will represent more than half the overall U.S. car park by 2030. This means major manufacturers are committed to investing in the future of EVs, with many increasing their push to do so within the next few years. On top of that, Valvoline has begun piloting EV services in its retail stores. Maintenance-based services such as 12-volt battery replacement, tire rotations, key fob replacement, cabin air filter replacement, wiper replacement, and state safety inspections will be included. Valvoline says these pilots are the next step in advancing the company's strategy to extend auto maintenance service to the growing amount of owners in EVs, OEMs, and fleets. Furthermore, according to a recent global study by Deloitte, nearly 27% of American consumers believe their next vehicle will be some type of EV. A recent Cars.com survey showed that EV searches have nearly doubled since 2020. According to the Cars.com survey, roughly 66% of Americans surveyed indicated they were more likely to buy an EV after the Biden administration's plans to accelerate the country's move towards EVs. With more EVs on the road, this will certainly increase the need for your independent auto shops to invest in EV services. While sales of EVs are growing slowly, interest continues to rise, and independent auto maintenance shops who get their foot in the EV door early won't risk falling behind the big chains that are investing in the equipment now. My name's Christian Hinton, and this is the EV Impact Show. See you next time.